Huh?
Are we going moisten over or
Probably.
just talk as usual?
Yeah. Well, that's not sketchy or anything.
Oh, that's pretty sketchy in the snow, isn't it?
Yeah.
Be careful, please.
I am. I'm trying to stay on these beams.
That's what he was just saying. Yeah, that could be problematic. Bowed a little bit right there. Got a little bit of a lean to her.
Huh? Is it really? Yep. I see a blaze. Yeah, we got a blaze.
Look, I think it's that bridge we looked at.
Yeah. For the other one.
Huh? It's gone. Yeah. That would be the iron furnace.
Really?
Yep.
Awesome.
That's what that would be. This is really neat with the snow. Yeah, that's what's left of the iron furnace.
Mead woodland. Chiller coffee.
Ain't much left of it, is there? Exploration Appalachian here, and we are currently in Vinton County, Ohio, at the Vinton Iron Furnace. That's the remains that you see behind me right there. And you can see Darian up there on top. Find him here. Woo! Right there. To see the massive size of this structure. Now, this guy didn't do too well. We're getting ready to go to the Coke Ovens over the hill, but it did not do too well due to the sulfur content and the local coal, which made for really brittle iron production. So its manufacturing period didn't last very long. I will post descriptions and the links and everything about all the history of this place. A little bit easier to do that than explain it on the field. As you notice, it is snow covered and awesome. But get over here. Trying to get where I can stand up in front of the blocks here so you can actually see what size they are. And there's the blocks. Hold my phone. Size of my hand to the block there. See how big they are. Pretty cool, right? So I'm going to finish up recording some structural rounds here. Then we found a path to the right here, and it takes us to the Coke Oven, so I'll be recording those next. It's squishy right there. Alright guys, we finally made it to the Coke Ovens for the Vinton Iron Furnace, and behind me you'll see them. See the guys standing next to them there. They're around 5 to 10 feet according to the specs online when you read up about them. They're completely open all the way through in a column. These are Belgian Coke Ovens, and they were in Pennsylvania residing. They moved them here to be used with the Vinton Furnace, but due to the designs and a lot of flaws in the designs and the fact that the coal around here was really heavy in sulfur content, they pretty much weren't able to use it. And when they did make any kind of iron ore, it was very brittle, so the coal production didn't really last long, the production here. But these guys were made in Belgium, and each one of these bricks, you see here, each one of these bricks were numbered, what furnace they went to, so whenever they did ship them over here and reassemble them, they knew exactly what order to put the bricks in, which I think is really fascinating. But as always, I'll put the description in the information panel below this video. That way you can know all the history of this place. Really easy to visit. You just hike in from the Vinton Experimental Forest, just like a little state park area. Hiking trails, they're blue blazed. If I had one right here next to me, but I did take pictures of them, so I'll post those too, so you know what the blazes look like. But it's a little hiker on a little blue medallion, kind of cute. But walking down here. Now there were supposed to be 24 coke ovens, I do believe, and only 17 of them still reside. As you can see, kind of down here, they're a little bit crumbled and caved in, probably from, year. Over the years, a lot of them are full. You can see, as you can see, the ground level there, it's kind of humped up. That one's a little worse for wear. But all in all, it's a pretty cool place. Highly recommend a visit if you're in the little history of the industry, places like this. See him down there checking it out. Old trail yeti up there. Checking out the vent shaft. There's little holes. Here, I'll give you a roof view. We'll walk through one of them.
Don't forget the side vent.
See the little vent hole there? Yeah, and there are side vents. Another ventilation hole. And to the other side. Now these guys, of course, would have had a rail system above them. Little coal car, just like any of the beehive coke ovens and stuff around this local park. Guys tending to them to make sure everything's okay. You can see here, some of the bricks have fell off. I'm trying to find one with a number on it. Maybe get lucky. Keep searching around here. See what we got going on. But all in all, of course, Vinton Experimental Forest next to Zaleski National Forest, or Zaleski, sorry, National Forest. See one of the ones that have collapsed. There is a nice little trail. You can see him walking on it. That does take you right to him. It's nice and open. See the flat part back here, nice and open. Probably wouldn't recommend going in warmer months when the vegetation's a little high. Looks like there's a lot of monoflora rose bushes around here, but all in all, I'd highly recommend a visit. I'm gonna walk around here. Oh, there's a little medallion. There he is. Of course, most of them are blue, but that's what you're looking for, a little hiking medallion to let you know you're on the right path. And they will be blue blazed. But I'm going to finish up recording here, do a little walkthrough around everything. And until next time, remember guys, if you like our videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Click on that little bell so you know that we have new stuff up and coming. And see you next time on the trail.
From now on in the future, I'll just, you'll do that and I'll go. I'll walk up to strangers now and be like, touch it. No, I was about to say. Oh, I got a good shot of that device right now. It's worthless and the battery's dead. Whoa, I'm back here. No, he's still moving around. I guess the battery's not totally dead. If you were planning on falling down on this trail, I believe it would happen right there.
Yeah.
Good place.
There's another one down here that'd be kind of slippery.
I hope I didn't break anybody's legs in the bag. You got them in there still? That's the only thing I fucking thought when I fell down there. Like, oh God. My figures. Hope I didn't break nobody. If I did, God knows it'd be like a fucking red hood. Is that a red hood in there? Yeah. I tried to try and tell you last night it was dark. No. No, I don't think so. I don't think I got to that one. You're on the phone. Oh. It's all distracted. That's why I just came up. I was like, Superman in daylight.
is also going to be fun to walk down.
Mm-hmm.
This would be a good place to fall too.
I retract my statement previously.
Get a sleigh ride all the way to the bottom.
Into that little tree.
Knocks my exercise goal in the face for today. You gotta see it when over 2 weeks I should have been at work. This thing was yelling at me like every day. It's like, hey, you being lazy. Get off the couch. No Assassin's Creed today.
Raid!
No more raiding. I'm down to like 3 places left I can raid.
Raided everywhere.
I've raided everywhere, all of England. The only reason I haven't hit them is because they're way too powerful.
Got like 15 pounds of snow on my tread. Stupid.
Foundation stone.
Yeah. I don't know what that's from, Amanda. What? Stones over there? Yep. We'll check it out. Just 3 of them. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, 3 days and nights. Up and down at the same time.
Only realizing that you've gone 1 mile.
Yeah, well, we won't talk about that. That's been referenced only as make sure you have your plot. Or your forest plotted.
Make sure you have your plot forest.
Plot forest, black forest ham.
Somebody left their walking stick.
I've seen that.
Take it off right.
No, it's a gift for anyone that need it.
Right at the old trail cam.
Alright, here's some Jesse Bruce.
Trail cams.
Some of this is kind of hairy, isn't it?
Yeah, just make sure you walk on support.
No, I want to be the guy who falls through it over here.
Poochzilla there.
Yeah. Telling you, so we got a big ass dog running around here. up for that.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, that board moved.
Hmm.
Extra most bestest feeling. Plot twist, fall through right there.
Right here.
Fall through the ground.
The clipping's terrible here.
12 gauge federal round. Snippy buff. Over. Hunting them squacks.
Squacks.
My reflection and waved and went.
Oh, this is a nice tour.